Taking care of your heart can be as easy as making a simple meal. The dietitians of Stanford Healthcare are helping you put a heart-healthy spin on a classic fried rice. We'll be substituting brown rice for white rice for added fiber and using frozen vegetables, which are less expensive, pre-cut, and last much longer in the freezer than fresh vegetables. Start by heating half a teaspoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add 2 beaten eggs, scramble, and put them aside. Heat another teaspoon of olive oil over medium-high heat and saute your onions. Add your frozen vegetables and cook until any water is gone and they begin to brown. Next, add your scallions. Now, add your brown rice. A pro tip is to use rice cooked the day before and stored overnight in the fridge. Add your previously scrambled eggs back into the pan and season with soy sauce and pepper to taste. Enjoy this dish with a little fresh garnish, and remember that eating heart-healthy can be delicious and easy. For more recipes and heart-healthy tips from the dietitians of Northern California's #1 cardiology and heart surgery program, visit stanfordhealthcare.org/foodforheart.